Okay, so this video is going to quickly show you how to download extra sounds for the sound library in GarageBand. So first thing you do is you just go up to GarageBand, up here in the top left hand corner, go down to the option that says Sound Library and then hit Download Essential Sounds or All Available Sounds, and then they'll become available over here in the Loops library, and you'll have an extra set of hundreds of different sound effects that you can use in your GarageBand projects. In most schools I go to, this has never been downloaded, so it can take some time, and there is several gig worth of downloads, so you need to obviously choose a time when you're not going to create a lot of demand on the network to download all those sound effects at once, especially if you've got a full class. So I'd certainly look at doing that in advance to any lesson, or asking the students to possibly even download that at home. So just to remember, it's GarageBand, Sound Library, download all essential sounds or all available sounds to make that happen. Okay, thanks.